Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, who I am ever so grateful for always bestowing upon me such great opportunities. I am very grateful right now for having this opportunity on Ramadan TV with Adore Eats by me, Adila Patel, to share with you these lovely recipes that I've learned from different people and giving them a chance to cook with me and sharing these recipes. Today, our lovely guests who look like a lovely color of milkshakes, all in Adore by Adila Abayas. We have Sister Sultana and Sister Fatima Zahra with us. It's so nice having young girls with us cooking and sharing their nice and easy recipes, and it's just so lovely having young girls in the kitchen, I think. So what are we making? Assalamu alaikum, girls.
Wa alaikum salam.
So nice having you with us. You look really lovely in your milkshake outfits. So what are we making today?
So today we're making a chocolate fridge dessert.
Okay, and what goes into it?
So we're going to use some chocolates, biscuits, caramel and cream. It's very simple, and we're going to layer it all up and it will be delicious.
Okay, lovely. So I hope the dessert looks as tasty as your outfits do today. Okay, so can we just start by telling the viewers what, Sister Sultana, how much of each ingredient there is? I see you've whipped your fresh cream already.
Yes.
Okay,
so 250 grams of fresh cream, of fresh cream, a tin of caramel treat, tennis biscuits for layering, and preferably a chocolate that has wafer in it. So Tex, Kit Kat, PS, anything like that.
Okay. So what was your guys' preference of chocolate?
PS.
Okay, I see it's a joint answer here. Okay, so what do you do next?
Okay, so we whipped the fresh cream.
Okay, let me just pass it to you so you know.
And now we need to fold the caramel treat in.
Okay, so ladies, do you guys enjoy making sweet dishes?
Yes.
Yeah, I think it's better than making food.
I think we leave the food to the adults, right? To the mothers and the nannies and daddies everywhere. So I think this is really creative, and I also think it's really nice that you girls are, so excited and were so motivated to come on and show everyone your recipes. I think this is lovely. I think it's also nice to include at home your young sisters, your young daughters in the kitchen with you, do it together as a family. And especially after COVID, I mean, we were not able to cook or share food with each other for 2 years. So I mean, we're so blessed this Ramadan to be able to be doing this together.
Okay, so I'm folding this in.
Okay,
slowly.
I mean, I can see you all look very hungry because Sister Fatima seems to be very quiet right now. Is the fast getting to you, Sister Fatima?
Slowly it is.
So do you still have school and stuff during Ramadan?
Yes, I do, but I'm all online. So
okay, so that's lovely.
Yeah.
But it's so amazing. I mean, our young girls today, schooling, cooking meals for iftar, coming and doing this. I mean, they're so amazing. I'm just so impressed.
Okay, so once it's like well cooked, mixed.
Sister Sultana's fast is getting to her while her cream is well cooked.
Okay, then we're gonna put the chocolate in, but not all of it. We're gonna keep some for
this
the
is
top.
So different. I always see fresh cream and condensed or stuff with the bounty. Not bounty, sorry, with PS. I've never heard of a dessert like this, and this looks so tasty. And I think it's lovely after Tarawih treat on a weekend. Maybe served with some milkshake, some lime milkshake, some lemon milkshake.
Okay, so make sure to mix it well.
And guys, don't forget to order these lovely milkshake abayas. You can order it online on Adore by Adila on Instagram. So follow me on Adore by Adila and Adila Patel to purchase some of these lovely lemon and lime milkshake abayas that we see Sister Sultana and Fatima Zahra in.
Okay, so now we're gonna place our tennis biscuits in
Here you go,
a
Sister
dish.
Fatima.
So you can use anything, a Pyrex, a Tupperware, whatever you wish that can go into the fridge.
Okay, let's see how Sister Fatima layers this. Let her show us all these skills she learns at school. Or are these skills you learn from your mom?
From my mom, definitely.
Oh wow, okay, I see your mom's getting some credit here. And Sister Sultana, what about you? Are these skills you've learned from your mom or cooking skills? You think you just enjoy cooking?
I think both. I do love cooking and baking and making desserts, so I taught
Oh,
myself.
mashallah. It's so nice hearing this. I didn't hear shopping, sleeping, watching Netflix. I heard some really good points here. So this looks really tasty and it looks really easy also. And I think, how long does it take you to make this normally at home, guys?
It's fairly quick to make, and you need to set it for a minimum of about 4 hours in the
I
fridge.
think that's the long part is setting it.
Yeah.
Okay, so we do the next layer and top it up. It looks so yummy. I think, you can be so creative with different chocolates you like. Like one of my favorite chocolates is Ferrero Rocher. I absolutely love a Ferrero Rocher. So I think that if I had to layer my whole dessert with Ferreros, I'd be happy. I think some of us should use some xylitol here. This looks like a really, really sweet, sugar-filled, rich dessert.
So if you find it too sweet, you can add more fresh cream. So you can use double the quantity.
Okay, so you can dilute it. Okay, perfect. And the ingredients are not too expensive as well, because often I feel like dessert ingredients are so expensive that you just avoid making it. This is really pretty served on a platter also.
Yes.
You can change it up, decorate it how you like to your, you play with it.
Okay, so this looks really cute and tasty. And I think that so you chopped up the chocolate, which also made the texture real. So I can see the little chocolate bits in here.
Yes.
The way the chocolate's chopped up finely looks nice. This reminds me of, looks a bit like Tex as well.
Yes.
Okay, so you
can use Tex as well.
The rest up. I'm really looking forward to iftar today because I have a real sweet tooth.
Don't forget to wash your hands.
You're still keeping up with your COVID protocol. Bit difficult with the masks on set, but I think we'll still keep with our sanitizing in place. But alhamdulillah, I think the cases have decreased. Well, I'm hopeful. I really don't want to be in isolation again. Okay, so lovely. Here we have our lovely dessert with Sister Sultana and Sister Fatima Zahra. That was so quick and easy and so simple, ladies, girls. Jazakallah so much for cooking with us today.
Jazakallah for having us.
It was only a pleasure. And again, don't forget, follow me, Adila Patel, on Adila Patel or Adore by Adila on Instagram and Facebook to follow up with some of these lovely recipes. I'll also be sharing and tagging my guest cook as well. And I'll also be tagging all the lovely outfits that you can purchase for Eid. Please remember us in your duas, and Jazakallah so much, girls, for coming on today. It was such a pleasure cooking with young girls.
Jazakallah for having us, and I hope everybody has a blessed rest of the Ramadan and a blessed Eid.
And keep us in your duas, like we would for you.
Jazakallah so much. Assalamu alaikum, sisters.
Wa alaikum salam.